Student, now today we will discuss about give the structures of ABC in following reactions. Means you are having some equations, and in these equations you have to find out some compounds like A, B and C. So now your textbook contain exercise number 13.9 we will do. Okay, here you are given ethyl iodide, and when reacts with sodium cyanide then forms A. Thereafter your substance A, compound A, reacts with OH minus, then get partial hydrolysis. Thereafter it is converted to B, and thereafter reaction with NaOH plus Br2 means this is Hofmann reactant and then forms C. So we have to find out A, B and C. Here first one, ethyl iodide CH3 CH2I now reacts with NaCN. So you can say that Na and I will be liberated, will be removed. That is why cyanation is taking place. So CH3 CH2 CN is obtained. This is propane nitrile. So A will be your propane nitrile. Thereafter it reacts with OH minus, means partial hydrolysis occurred. Partial hydrolysis that means water molecule will be going inside. That is why C will have O and N will have H. So this is CH3 CH2 CONH2. Now B is this compound, and thereafter you know very well that mixture of NaOH and Br2, which is your Hofmann reactant. So now Hofmann will remove carbonyl group, so amine will be obtained. So this is my product, final product. So in this reaction, propane nitrile is your A, propanamide is your B, and ethanamine is your C. This is complete reaction. Thereafter you are given phenyl ring N2NCl. So we can say that this is nothing but benzene diazonium chloride. Now benzene diazonium chloride reacts with cuprous cyanide and KCl, but you are not given KCl. That you have to think about this. This is the reaction like Sand-Meyer reaction. Now in Sand-Meyer reaction, cyanation is taking place. That is why here you are given benzene diazonium chloride BDC reacts with cuprous cyanide and forms cyanobenzene. So here N2 will be liberated and cyano will be going toward this phenyl ring. So first one, ring contains cyano. This is my cyanobenzene. What you are given? Here you are given BDC. By this reaction, it is converted into cyanobenzene or phenyl cyanide. This is my phenyl cyanide. This is my A. Now after getting hydrolysis, by hydrolysis it is converted to benzoic acid. So my B will be benzoic acid. My A will be phenyl cyanide. B will be benzoic acid. Thereafter ammonia is given to this compound. So ammonium benzoate, ammonia is given to this compound, so ammonia will be added toward this H. So ammonium benzoate form. Now by hitting this molecule, so H2 and O will be liberated. So you can say that here it will be NH2 and this O will be removed. So CONH2 is formed. So now my compound will be CONH2. Here you can say that delta. That means some heating is required. So we can say that benzene diazonium chloride is converted to phenyl cyanide. Thereafter hydrolysis, benzoic acid is obtained, and thereafter by using ammonia and some heating, benzamide is obtained. Benzamide is obtained. So this is my C product. Okay. Similarly, you are doing ethyl bromide reacts with KCN and then forms A. Thereafter A get reduced by lithium aluminum hydride, and this is my highly reducing agent. Thereafter it will convert it to B, and after that reaction with nitrous acid and they forms alcohol. So we will take here K and Dr will be removed. Now cyanation is taking place. That is why my ethyl bromide reacts with KCN and then form propane nitride. Propane nitride. After getting reduction by strong reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydride, so carbon will have 2 hydrogen, nitrogen will have 2 hydrogen, so it is converted to primary amine. So now CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2 is formed. So my A will be propane nitride, my B will be 1 propanamine or propane 1 amine, and thereafter reduction or reaction with nitrous acid at 0 degree temperature, then what will form? You know very well that this reactant gives OH to this compound. That is why OH will be formed over here. So propane 1-ol is obtained. This is my C product. So A will be propane nitride, B will be propanamine, and C will be propane 1-ol. Okay. Let us move. Phenyl ring contain nitro. That means nitrobenzene is obtained. Nitrobenzene is given. FeHCl that is added, and find out A. Thereafter by using nitrous acid, which is the mixture of NaNO2 plus HCl, then forms B, and after hydrolysis we can obtain C. So we have to find out A, B and C. First one, nitrobenzene is given. Here nitrobenzene is like this. Then by using Fe plus HCl, that means it is reducing agent. When iron scrap which is taken to with HCl, then this mixture is known as reducing agent, so they form NH2 in place of NO2. So here ring contain NH2, that means aniline is formed. After getting aniline, when diazotization is given, that means by reaction with HNO2, then they forms N2Cl. So ring contain N2 plus and Cl minus. And after hydrolysis, then water molecule is going inside, so we can obtain. Now we can say that water contain H and OH. So now H will be removed with Cl and forms HCl, and N2 will be removed as a gas. Only OH will be remaining part. So this remaining part will attack toward this ring. So phenol is obtained. So this reaction, in this reaction, A will be your aniline, B will be your benzene diazonium chloride, and C will be your phenol. This is phenol. Clear? Okay. Second one, when acetic acid reacts with ammonia and thereafter some heating is to be given, then A will be produced. Thereafter A substance will react with Hoffman reactant, which is NaOBr, sodium hypobromide solution. Now it is converted to B, and thereafter diazotization, then we'll have C. So here we have to find out A, B and C. First one, acetic acid is given. Now when reacts with ammonia, they forms ammonium acetate. That means Ca3COO NH4. But here you are given some heating is to be there. So hydrogen, oxygen will remove. So water molecule will be removed. So we have to write over here this. This is my ethanamide. This is my ethanamide. But you are writing like this manner. Okay. This is my ethanamide. Now, you know very well that when ethanamide reacts with Hoffman reactant, then Hoffman reactant is nothing but the mixture of NaOH plus Br2. So H and Br will be removed and you get NaOBr. This is my sodium hypobromide solution. So when ethanamide reacts with sodium hypobromide, then carbonyl group will be eliminated. So methanamide will be formed. This is methanamide. This is my product B. And thereafter, you know very well that when ethanamide, methanamide or ethanamide reacts with sodium nitrite plus HCl, that means this is your sodium, you can say HNO2, that means nitrous acid. The mixture of this substance NaNO2 plus HCl will react like nitrous acid. So when methanamide reacts with nitrous acid, then nitrous acid will have two parts. One is OH, second one is NO. Now you can see that N will go with N, N will make N2. Thereafter H2 and O will make H2O. So only OH is remaining, so which will be added toward this position. So methanol is obtained. So friends, your C will be methanol. So here first one will be ethanamide, second one will be methanamine, and third one will be methanol. Okay, thereafter friends, we are moving for ring contain anode. That means nitrobenzene is given to you. Now nitrobenzene reacts with Fe plus HCl. It is nothing but iron scrap plus hydrochloric acid. The mixture of iron scrap and hydrochloric acid, which is reducing agent. So NO2 is converted into NH2. In your theory part, we have done this reaction. NO2 is now converted into aniline. Now this is my A. Thereafter nitrous acid is to be taken at 273 Kelvin temperature. So here your NH2 reacts with diazotization reaction is there. So we can say that when diazotization is carried out, you can use HNO2 or you can use NaNO2 plus 2HCl. Here you can use HNO2. So we have ring contained N2 plus Cl minus. This is my benzene diazonium chloride by using HNO2 273 Kelvin. Then BDC is formed. After getting BDC, when phenol is to be given as a reactant, then the hydrogen of this phenol of para position will remove its Cl, so HCl will remove and this group will attach over here. Right? So N2 contains this group. So now phenyl, thereafter N double bond N, thereafter also phenyl, thereafter this is my para hydroxyazobenzene. This is C product. Para hydroxyazobenzene. This is benzene diazonium chloride and this is aniline. You can use this substance as a dye, orange dye. This is orange dye. Which is para hydroxyazobenzene. Okay. Students, now we are moving for exercise. Complete the following reactions. Number 1, aniline is given and chloroform and alcoholic cure that we are given. So we can say that when aniline reacts with the mixture of chloroform and alcoholic KOH, then isocyanide will be obtained. So we can remove here 3K and 3Cl will make 3KCl. Thereafter these 2 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, that means 3 hydrogen reacts with 3 of hydroxide, so forms 3 water, and thereafter 1 N and C will be remaining, so C6H5 and triple bond C. This is my product. So we can say that when aniline reacts with a mixture of chloroform and alcoholic KOH, then forms isocyanide, 3 moles of water and 3 KCl. Now second one reaction, that is benzene diazonium chloride. You can put over here plus sign and minus sign. Okay. So when benzene diazonium chloride reacts with hypophosphorus acid, means phosphinic acid, then water molecule are obtained. So here these Cl will remove with hydrogen, so HCl will be formed. Now 1 oxygen will be going toward H3PO2, so forms H3PO3, which is oxidized product, and 1 hydrogen will be going toward this, so N2 will be liberated. Now N2 will be also liberated, so as will be going inside and benzene rings are formed. So by this reaction we can make benzene. Okay, now aniline when reacts with concentrate H2SO4, then sulfonation is carried out. That is why benzene, thereafter NH3. So this is anilinium hydrogen sulfate is obtained, but this is unstable. So by heating this substance, sulfate will be going toward para position and now it will convert it to sulfonilic acid. So at para position SO3H will be coming, that is why sulfonilic acid will be formed. Thereafter, benzene diazonium chloride reacts with ethanol and forms, first of all, this chlorine will remove with hydrogen, so HCl will be obtained. These nitrogen will be liberated, so N2 gas will be obtained. Thereafter, benzene ring contain one hydrogen. So, benzene will be formed, and in this ethanol, two hydrogen will be liberated. That is why ethanol is obtained as a product, as a byproduct, as a yield, as an you can say oxidized product. Okay. Thereafter, amine reacts with Br2 water. Here you are given aqueous form. So we can say that here your bromination will be carried out by only water molecules. That means you are given Br2 water. That is why we can say that aniline reacts with bromine and forms 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, right? Here 3Br2 will be adding this substance. So H and Br will be liberated. So 3HBr also outside. Now acylation is carried out, but you are given in pyridine. These reactions can be held in pyridine media, that means basic media. So H and acetate will form acetic acid, and thereafter acylation will be carried out. So C6H5 NHCOCH3, this is acetanilide. Acetanilide molecules are obtained. Thereafter benzene diazonium chloride reacts with HbF4 and sodium nitrite in presence of copper. Then what will form? Here sodium removes with BF4, NaBF4 will be outside. Thereafter H and Cl will be removed, HCl will be removed. Thereafter N2 gas will be outside, and main product will be C6H5 and NO2 will be fused, so nitrobenzene will be obtained. Nitrobenzene will be obtained. So we can say that here first one contain yield phenyl isocyanide, second one contain benzene ring, third one is having sulfonilic acid, fourth one is having benzene as well as oxidized product ethanol, fifth one is 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Thereafter here acetanilide is formed, and last one which is called nitrobenzene. So these were my complete the following reactions containing exercise of 13.11. Okay.